Hello plant friends, Adina here from Plants Equals Happiness. As I promised to you every day a different Hoya, today I present to you Hoya carnosa Crimson Princess. I will turn the camera around and show the Hoya carnosa Crimson Princess for you. The original natural habitat of this species is Eastern Asia, the Pacific Island and Australia. Hoya carnosa grows in lowland, tropical and subtropical rainforest and hangs high in the trees, and it's semi-epiphytic. It is partially parasitical. Its roots penetrate the bark of the trees which support. Common names include golden Hoya, exotic wax plant, porcelain flower. Hoya carnosa, the wax plant, is a popular houseplant, grows for its attractive glossy foliage and sweetly scented flesh-color flowers, so exactly resemble wax that you might almost make it into candles. It is mesmerizing not only because of its fragrance and waxy appearance, but also because of the fact that each flower looks like a five-pointed star, and the cluster of flowers also arrange itself in a star shape. Hoya carnosa has been in cultivation for more than 200 years and has given rise to numerous named cultivars. Example showing leaves spotted with silver, gray, or leaves variegated with gold, or irregularly undulate leaves. Hoya carnosa, cultivar Crimson Princess, name Mediopicta aurea, picta, rubra Crimson Princess, or variegated. This form with heavily variegated leaves is very attractive and highly prized. It can be distinguished by the green leaves border and variegation in the center. The variegation can be from white, cream, pink, yellowish, dark pink, depend upon growing condition. It is an evergreen, epiphytic, shrubby climbers up to 6 meters high. The stems are weakly succulent, pale gray, smooth, glabrous. Each season, new flowers are produced on these some spurs. Flowers typical of Hoya plants, small, flat, star-shaped. It usually blooms in early summer. You can see the new leaves has pinkish tone in it, and when they become more mature, they are green with white variegation in the inside. It's a beautiful, beautiful Hoya to have in your collection. It grows really, really well if you give indirect sunlight and you water when it's very, very dry. And of course, I water mine with Super Thrive, which is a vitamin with kelp seaweed. So this is Hoya carnosa cultivar Crimson Princess. As Betsy Begonia on her YouTube channel says, the princess wearing the dress and the queen wearing the crown. Because there are two Hoya carnosa cultivar Crimson Princess and Hoya carnosa cultivar Crimson Queen. Two different Hoyas. So that was my beautiful Hoya. And today in a mail, I receive a few of the houseplants that I want to show you to you. So this is the begonia looking glass. You can see how beautiful the leaves are, very, very silvery, with veins as well. Beautiful, beautiful begonia. I receive a begonia sunrise as well from Twisted Leaf and Vine, and I will show you the note. Adina, a little sunrise Hoya for you. Much love. Thank you very, 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 very much. Really made my day. Thank you so much. 2 cuttings of the Tridescantia. I think this is the pale Puma. And the other one, I'm not sure what kind of type it is, but you can see the variegation. And of course, Hoya Waitii.
You go to bed.
And of course, the Hoya Carnosa cultivar Crimson Princess. Thank you very much for today. I look forward for tomorrow for another Hoya. Thank you. Bye.